Opening statements in the trial of so-called Doomsday Mom Vallow Daybell, the convicted killer is accused of conspiring in the attempted murder of her former nephew-in-law.
Yeah, the victim in this case taking the stand today. Very dramatic. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum is joining us live now with what happened in court. Justin.
Brandon Boudreaux, witness number one for the prosecution, truly the lone survivor in this whole bizarre and deadly saga. But what we did not get to see today is Vallow Daybell doing cross-exam on Boudreaux. Daybell told the judge that she could not get in contact with her case investigator, who has specific documents and exhibits needed to conduct cross with this witness, Brandon Boudreaux. The prosecution showed the jury evidence of his Tesla hit once by a bullet in the Gilbert shooting outside his home back on October 2nd, 2019. Boudreaux became emotional at times, saying Daybell influenced his then-wife Melanie to divorce him over false allegations just months before the shooting. Investigators say the shooter is Daybell's late brother, Alex Cox, who died of natural causes 2 months after this shooting. During opening statements, the state says the jury will see evidence proving that Daybell orchestrated this entire situation, having Cox drive her Jeep Wrangler from Rexburg, Idaho, down to the valley after Lori and her then-boyfriend, Chad Daybell, stored the Jeep's backseat and rear wheel to make it easier for someone to open fire from the back window. Here's what Daybell said to the jury, pointing the finger at Brandon Boudreaux.
The state has the burden to prove that a crime has been committed here, and that I committed that crime. That is the way the law is written. I do not have to show any evidence or put up a defense. I do not have to testify. That is the law. The prosecutors from the state have to prove to you that I conspired, meaning made an agreement with my brother to murder Brandon. So you will decide. Right now, according to the law, I am innocent. I remain innocent until the state of Arizona and its prosecutors show you enough evidence to convince you that I had anything to do with this alleged crime. And I want you to look carefully and determine if this event was a crime at all. Did a shooting actually occur? Only Brandon claims that it did. Only Brandon names me and Alex.
And there were several objections made by Treena Kay as opening statements were made. We posted Lori's full opening statement on our Fox 10 Phoenix YouTube channel. Meanwhile, 4 more witnesses testified after Boudreaux, including a Gilbert police sergeant and detective. Daybell will have to cross-examine Boudreaux at a later time once she has the documents needed from her investigator. That could happen tomorrow. One juror was also excused from the jury, so we now have 15 court starts tomorrow just after 9 in the morning. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.
Justin, thanks, and stay with Fox 10 for continuing coverage of this final chapter in the Daybell saga. Justin and his panel of experts will be covering this week's trial gavel to gavel on our Fox 10 YouTube channel.